What's up people, this is Larudrash and it's morning, it's like 8 o'clock right now और मैं literally 5 बजे सोया था और 2 घंटे बाद 3 घंटे बाद उठ गया।
घड़ी सबको दिखी जाएगी, झूठ बोल रहा है टाइम ये।
Shut up, okay?
He's lying, bitches.
So we are going to gym right now, then I have to go home. Kushi's already there. Kushi has some surprise planned for her best friend, whatever, XXXYZ, and then we will go to Gurgaon. It's a pretty long day, so I'm gonna vlog a lot today. So all the best, love it. It's like 12 o'clock right now. I know you can't hear me, but look at this guy. What's up, Raj? Literally living alone is not easy. इसकी रोज मैं कुछ ना कुछ शॉपिंग करके जाता हूँ 500,000 रुपए। क्या कर रही थी इतने देर से यहाँ पे?
मैंने मैगी बनाई, मैंने मैगी खाई।
Yeah.
I was like so bored.
Guys, there's something happened. I can't show you what happened basically, but this looks like more like a honeymoon. Sweet होता है, सूट होता है? My God, what the fuck is this? What's up, people? The thing is, it's I'm really sorry to I'm really sorry to the Energy for coming so
I am not talking to you guys. I am very. It is
like 2 hours
it is
late.
it is 2 o'clock and we were supposed to meet at 11:30.
Yeah.
He is not a punctual guy.
So this all happened because of Simran. Simran ने फोन करके मुझे ये बोला है कि
So yeah, we're kind of here. It's like not my shoot. It's like this is. By the way, hi Ashi, hi Ashwarya.
Hi guys.
Everybody's here, so they're shooting. I'm not gonna disturb more because they are like really in rush. So I'm gonna be like vlogging silently today.
Ashi.
Okay, it's Shivani. Her name is Shivani, and she is Titli Chatterjee Junior, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and she kind of like our YouTube channel for sure. What is the best thing about the YouTube channel?
You.
See? Why the fuck I'm single? I don't get it. Titli knows why. मेरी जिंदगी ना पता है ऑमलेट बनाते बनाते निकल जानी है। मैं तितली के घर पे आके भी लाइक ऑमलेट बना रहा हूँ। ऐश्वर्या आशी, पता है तुम्हें ढिंचैक पूजा का नया गाना है, तुमने सुना है?
तो देख रहे हैं हम कितने डरावने लग रहे हैं, खा जाऊंगी मैं भाई। Stop fucking it.
As you guys know that recently I started reading comments in the vlog, so I'm gonna read it but in some other different like style. मुझे इतनी ज़्यादा इंग्लिश नहीं आती है, नहीं तो मैं कुछ और वर्ड बोलने वाला था. Then I was like, let me use a simple English. So I'm gonna go with first maybe with Ash because she's gonna be in the vlog after very long. ये तितली तो Ash से भी hot निकली, मस्त बोलती है lots of love.
क्या रिप्लाई करूँ उसका?
Ash is in Kolkata.
No.
But why will someone ask this question?
I don't know, कोई मुझे ये भी बोल रहा था कि मैं पूना में हूँ, पता नहीं कोई क्यों बोल रहा है कि मैं पूना में हूँ, मैं तो नहीं पूना में।
Without Kushi, your vlogs are always seems like incomplete.
Well, that's true, guys. Here I am, Kushi in the house doing some short shoot, and I will always be in the vlog. That's why he put the name Lovin Kushi.
Came here only for Kushi.
अच्छा. Aww.
Titli has awesome personality. She is photogenic too. Titli के main channel का नाम नहीं बताया आप लोगों ने. Team Love is awesome.
That is Titli Chatterbox. That's my main channel and I'm not uploading any videos. So till the time I'm in Delhi, you can watch me.
We'll just.
And she's about to fart.
One more comment.
Yes.
You are superb, love, but Kushi and Ash is the most gorgeous personality I have never seen. You guys are best. Ravinder, Titli, Nilesh, and other. Lot of love wishes from you. Team Love.
Ashi.
Well, yes, me and Ash, we are very, very good. And we nailed the shit out of the vlog. Actually, me. Because I'm in every vlog. That's how I roll. Hey, Chori! Priyani, What's Haryanvis then? They're Jat.
इसे झगड़ा हो जाए लड़के से क्या बोलेंगे?
क्या बात है? क्या छिटको मारेगा तू ऐसे जाएगा?
छिटके मानो को मैं बता.
छिटको मारेगा आज फिर चल बाहर चले अकेले यहाँ.
बाहर जाके छिटते हैं ये लड़कियों में.
हम तो बाहर जाके कुछ और ही करते हैं.
हाँ. चल ले बाहर जाके छिटते हैं. ऐसे छिटती हूँ मैं. कहती तेरी शादी आदि हो चुकी है क्या?
हाँ मेरे 2 बच्चे भी हैं।
भाई इसके पास इतना भारी लहंगा है ना, मैं तो अपनी शादी में
ये ना लिटरली इट इज लाइक 15 kgs
15 kg।
तुम कहे तो हम खोल दे। फिल्मों में रिसेंटली लाइक it is not allowed to even show people smoking. Lead actors can't smoke and drink. What is your like censor board is not going to give any certificate to the movie if they have such scenes in the upcoming movies.
अच्छा
So what is your take on it?
यार सेंसर बोर्ड इज रेडी टू शिट बिकॉज एवरीवन स्मोकिंग एंड अच्छा ठीक है अगर आप ये इसलिए कर रहे हो कि इन्फ्लुएंस ना हो लोग देन इट्स फाइन यार इट्स ओके।
Okay guys, the thing is अभी हम जा रहे हैं कहीं पे, पता नहीं कहाँ जा रहे हैं, तिथि हमें लेके जा रही है क्योंकि ड्राइवर भैया उनके हैं, मनीष भैया उनका नाम है।
लाइक क्या वो जो आते नहीं है, ये जो अरे क्या होते हैं ये जो
मांगने वाले।
अरे महाराजा प्रताप राव तो नहीं पहनते थे।
प्लीज इतना बड़ा मत बना तू अपने आप को। दासी भी नहीं लग रही तू महाराजा की।
महाराणा प्रताप में ऐसे ही पहनते वो सर में, ठीक है।
So moreover, if you remember this place, like we used to shoot over here. Titi used to shoot a lot of videos of mine over here, and she's like shooting something else right now. So I have like great memories from this place, and they're leaving this place very soon. Was she annoying in school?
और खुशी तुम करके बात करती थी जब खुशी स्कूल में आई थी तो, और हम
अरे मैं बहुत इनोसेंट थी यार,
हम बहुत कमीने बच्चे थे,
बहुत इनोसेंट।
हम इसकी बहुत लेते थे।
मुझे पता है सबसे बड़ी गाली कुत्ता लगती थी। मैंने किसी कुत्ता बोल दिया तो मेरी पूरी दुनिया उजड़ जाती थी।
एक्चुअली
इट वाज माय लाइफ वाज सो सैड
सच्ची।
एंड व्हेन आई केम टू दिल्ली आई गॉट टू नो दैट
Does boob size matter? Does dick size matter?
अरे वो लोग मुझे बोलते थे बहन की गाली में, क्या दे रहे, मुझे कुछ समझ ही नहीं आ रहा था। फिर ना एक लड़की ने, पूजा याद है वो लड़की, उसने मुझे साइड ले जाके बताया इसका मतलब ये होता है।
हम खुशी को एक्चुअली प्रोटेक्ट करते थे, इतने कमीने बच्चे थे ना हमारी क्लास के।
I swear.
तुम
मेरे को
मत
और इस खुशी के लिए कोई ऑल आउट भी पी गया था, पता है?
किसने भी दी सारी।
Should start a blogging channel जहाँ पे ये बताए how to do perfect makeup. Like if you are thinking कि कहीं पार्लर वार्लर गई थी, it is nothing like that. लड़कियाँ मेकअप करती है, प्लीज उन्हें दूर से देखा करो, बिकॉज जैसे तुम पास जाते हो यू रियलाइज
कि बहुत ज्यादा मेकअप है, एंड दैट्स सो ट्रू।
बट ट्रस्ट मी, लाइक फ्रॉम फार perfect.
Guys,
but
I want to tell you something. Guys, this is my. Guys, I want to wear that outfit right now, and I do not want to wear this shit.
I can't walk in here. Oh my god.
Diva is here.
So the thing is that when we met first day in college with Love, he's like, oh, what's the name? You're so black and ugly.
I did not say ugly. I must have said you are black, but not ugly.
I'm like,
You racist bitch.
I'm like, I think you've forgotten your vocabulary. You're using wrong words for me. You know, that's what I say.
But I didn't get the joke at all.
Because you're dumb.
Fuck.
और क्या चाहिए तुझे?
Yesterday what happened? सारी की सारी सोशल नेटवर्किंग साइट पागल होगी बिकॉज ढिंचक पूजा का नया गाना आया इन द मार्केट, सो इट्स आउट। yesterday it got uploaded on,
And so Love Rudrash is going to use Dhinchak Puja for TRP.
so let's hear ढिंचक पूजा का नया गाना. I'm gonna play it. Let's hope for the best.
लड़की ने मीट तो तगड़ी डाली।
गोल्ड हाउस बनवाने को, उड़ाने को, बापू दे दे थोड़ा कैश, दे दे थोड़ा कैश, बापू दे दे थोड़ा कैश। भाई इतना बुरा गाना था, ऐश्वर्या तो उठ के भाग गई यहाँ से. As you can see, ऐश्वर्या is actually gone. So what is your take on like?
It's good. Good job, Dhinchak Pooja. You're doing great. You're giving content to many of the YouTubers. Good job. Great.
Actually बहुत लोग ना बड़ा मजाक उड़ाते हैं. I'm being very serious for 20 seconds only. बहुत लोग मजाक बनाते हैं. But it's good कि हम ऐसे लोग actually exist करते हैं because उनकी वजह से हम लोग हंस पाते हैं.
Exactly.
I don't get it.
अगर लव इस दुनिया में नहीं होता तो हम इसके लॉजिक पे कैसे हंसते? हाई फाई नीलेश, हम बहुत हंसते हुए थे.
सच्ची में?
Obviously.
But I'm such a nice human.
Well, now I'm going because of you. She went because of Dinja Puja. I'm going because of you.
Wow, Aishwarya.
Yeah?
Wow.
Wow.
Like,
It's beautiful, I know.
it's amazing. 22
22
kgs. Okay, guys, the thing is, we are back from Gurgaon. We are at like, how was the day?
It was so good, so productive.
It's been pretty long for sure, and you people keep on asking, where the fuck is Aishwarya and all that? She's here. It's just like, yes, that's true that we actually meet for work, but it doesn't mean that we don't have a friendship, we don't share a bond or something like that.
He knows everything about me, I know everything about him.
Exactly. So it's like that. So we're gonna be coming back soon for sure. My stop is here. I need to get down. So yeah, say bye, Aishwarya.
Bye, love. Bye.
Oh, thank you so much. See, I'm so lucky. And I'm so lucky. Lovely walk. It's like 12 o'clock right now. अभी पुराने घर पे गया हुआ था. And my dad was there. Actually, मेरे पापा बहुत दिनों बाद आए थे Delhi. So I just met him and it was like really sick. Like, you know, सारी की सारी पुरानी यादें ताज़ा होगी literally. I'm feeling way too emotional about it. Sometimes staying alone sucks. Look at this. Like, look at this. Like, I'm like, what? So guys, that's it. It's right now like 2 o'clock and I'm just ending this vlog. So I'm gonna edit this vlog right away. I'm done shooting this clip. So the thing is, I have so much work tomorrow. It's like I have to go Gurgaon, I have to go to gym, I have to drop my dad, edit the video that I'm gonna put in Saturday, then I have to upload a video on Facebook. Leave all this shit. You know what guys, a lot of people ask me how you stay so like positive and happy every time. Well, it's not like that I'm always happy. I go mad, I shout, I scream, I cry. I'm just a normal human being just like you guys watching this video. Why I have this positive attitude? Because every night before sleeping I set my goals for tomorrow. This is what I have to do. This is how I'm gonna able to achieve what I want to do. Thinking about what you have to do will make your day more easy. Make a plan again, wake up, do it, hustle, struggle, sleep, think how you did in your life, and your life will be actually very easy. I know it might sound very stupid, but try it once, you will love it. And moreover guys, I'm just ending this vlog. Go on Facebook and I have loaded a very small video over there, so check it out. So watch it and take care. I love you so much and bye.
I'm a motherfucking player.